is just natural life of Sarah.
She goes like,
My face.
delete. I can feel it. I think I used to.
Nothing. It's black, we swear. Here it comes. Here.
That was it?
Ew, I saw the stuff down your throat. Ew.
Your mouth looks big. Hey, you know how fish look when they have like hooks caught in their mouth? Alright. Y'all need to quit doing that.
Oh, hey, I feel a great one coming. Hang on. Push it up.
Wait.
Push it up. Oh, it's going down. It's going down.
Alright, I'm ready.
Oh my god! That was so nasty!
I'm really hyper right now.
Me too. Me too.
I know.
Y'all can't keep it in?
No.
Which way? Honey, it's coming out both ways.
If I don't, you want to come from here or there?
Make your choice.
Make it so good. That look.
Here, let me go camera.
You see those flowers? It's gonna smell worse than them.
No, I'm glad I got y'all.
Are you still recording? Smell.
Look at Sandra. She's like, you kids are an embarrassment.
Yummy food.
Yeah, by the way, yeah, I made it too. I don't know. Fuck.
Okay, I'm a proper young lady. Don't.
I didn't raise these kids with any etiquette, I guess.
burp.
What?
I just burp when I'm.
She effluviates from the mouth.
It's this whole can in my mouth.
Do it.
I like most of it. Oh yeah, that's totally lady.
Alright, ready?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I totally just got that.
You guys all freaked out when I did it.
Also,
And then the mocking of that. I didn't fit this in my mouth.
do it again.
But you know what my dentist told me? My dentist told me, he's like, you know what, make sure you tell all your friends you do not have a big mouth.
What?
Yeah, whatever, that's not.
Why are you opening for your dentist like this?
So we're going to West Sister Island.
No, I got.
In the second world.
I mean, wow.
Do that again?
I might have a wide. Wait, open your mouth. God, is that you?
And Mother Dear laughs. What was that?
It will be my gold for the cat in my mouth.
Hang on, just cut off this part and you make it a little smaller, you shrink it.
Hey, I'm gonna make my own food. Look how yummy this looks.
Oh my god, no.
I dare you.
Oh, hun! What is wrong?
Alright, yummy.
I dare you to eat that.
Get a little Dr. Pepper added.
Oh,
burp. I will burp. Hey, if you do it, I will. You'll do it? Yeah. No. Oh. I swear.
Totally.
Hey,
Don't think about it.
Katelynne, you have to say what's in there.
Okay, there's Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, a little bit of Diet Pepsi and Pepsi with spaghetti and noodles and the sauce. And Sarah is proving to us that she's a fruit. Okay, just a freak, but you know.
I guess I'm not.
Oh God!
Horrible. Oh my gosh, she's gonna do it. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
cheese, you know,
With the Pepsi.
Pepsi, yeah.
You may talk to me.
It's kind of sweet.
My phone's sweaty though. You buy me a drink. Yeah. I want to take you home with me. What'd you think about that?